Welcome to Brain Vision.
Question basically the wind is flowing through some speed, and when the diameter is 20 meter or the radius is 10 meter, the wind is flowing with some speed which is equals to 100 mil per hour, and when this radius increases to 110 mi, this speed reduced to 40 mi per hour. So uh, just we are writing first of all that what is given the question. So r is 10 mi, and at r equals to 10 mi, same for that, and this velocity v maximum is 100 mi per hour, and at r equals to, or r dash say 1110 mi, this velocity v max equals 40 mi per hour. So now we have to first of all calculate the acceleration. So for the first part here, r equals to, we will first change r into feet, because we will do everything in feet. So the r will be 10 mi into 5280. To convert into feet, we will multiply by this number, and this will become 52800 feet. And we know that velocity v v max, which is 100 mi, and we again when 100 mi per hour here, so per hour, and we will multiply this by 5280 to convert feet, and this 3600 to convert into seconds. So this is the way we will convert this one, and this thing, all the thing will become 146.667 after the calculation. So now we know that acceleration, normal acceleration is v square upon r. So we will just put all the values here. V square is nothing but we have converted this one into feet per second. So this is 140.667 square upon upon just r. So this r is nothing but 528,52800. So after the calculation, a normal acceleration will be 11 by 27, and this will comes to 0.407 feet per second square. And now next thing, which is the b, and b is something which is we here, which is r. R is given, r is just 60 mi. So for that we will convert first into feet. So this 60, and we will multiply this one into 5280. So this is 5280, and this whole thing become 316,800 feet. And now velocity v will be nothing but v is equals to 100 minus 60 minus 10, because we have to do this. So now, and whole thing multiply upon 40 minus 100 upon 110 minus 10. So this will become 70 mi per hour. And now we will convert this velocity v into feet per second. So we will 70 into 5280 upon 3600. Now this velocity come out that this will be nothing but 102.667 feet per second. And now we know again that we will use normal acceleration. A normal is nothing but v square upon r, and v is just, we have calculated 102.667 square upon the r. R is nothing but 31 6800. So this normal acceleration a become 0.0333 feet per second square. And for the c part, we will again come back to that point, which is mm, yeah, we will use a different color. So for c, we have r, which is equals to 110 mi, and we will multiply by 5280 to convert into feet. So this will become nothing but 580 and 000 in feet. And velocity is v is given, which is equals to 40 mi. So we will convert into mi per hour into the feet per second. So we will multiply by 5280 to convert into feet, and multiply by 3600 3600 to convert into seconds. So this will become 56.667 feet per second. And now again we will use the same formula, which is a normal, which is equals to v square upon r. So this will become the v square, which is 5667 square upon r. R is nothing but we have just calculated 580800. So this a normal acceleration become 4 upon 675, and now this will become 5.926 into 10 to the power minus 3 feet per second square. Okay.